Vuyokazi finally have something to say for those who are saying that she is too desperate to become a wife. But before I get to the start of today, you know the rules of the house. This is welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like and comment. Keep on supporting this channel, guys. So watch the video until to the end. But anyway, let me get to Vuyokazi's story, guys. Vuyokazi ukhathele, she is tired, especially those negative comments from people saying that she is too desperate. So Vuyokazi to Instagram story, and this is what she has to say. So Vuyokazi made a post saying that, oh, Vuyokazi is too quiet, she must get up and do something about this food. Where are her parents? She must leave. She's not in love. Finally, she speak up, bring your parents. She's too desperate to become a wife. Nifunani kanti. Also, she posted another post 54 minutes ago and says that konje ngoku nguba ngonje ngoku. I don't know Sizulu, guys. Please forgive me. Goku ngoba goku, you know what, I don't say it, everything is their color, meaning that right now, because I don't agree with everything, it is a problem. So Vuyokazi, yes, this is what Vuyokazi has to say, especially those who says that Vuyokazi, she is too desperate to become Mpumelela's wife. Kanti nina Nifunani, what do you want from Vuyokazi, honey? And Vuyokazi, she's saying, this time I'm not gonna agree with everything. I'm gonna stand for myself right now, honey. So it seems like Vuyokazi, she's gonna stay in this marriage, or soon to be married, whatever it is, you know what, or she's gonna be a second wife, or she's gonna be a third wife, but she will stay, you know what, she will decide for herself. Even if she leaves, she will decide herself. It has nothing to do with you. You guys need to keep on watching the show and enjoy, because whatever decision she's gonna take, it is up to her at the end of the day, honey. So don't worry about her. She is fine. You must choose, guys, which side are you taking. You must not be all over the place. That's what Vuyokazi she's saying. So all the viewers out there. But anyway, guys, it is happy Sunday. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are, you know what, are coming from church. Some of you are going to church, I don't know. Anyway, but as for me, from the rest of the team, I just want to say bye. God bless you. Happy Sunday. Bye bye.